Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the Zamazenta theme deck. 3 items from the Zamazenta theme deck. If you didn't see the Zamazenta theme deck thing that I have, you can go watch that video or you can watch this one and get a bit of the stuff from there. First we'll start with Zamazenta itself. Next we will start with Second we will start with Zamazenta's coin. It's beautiful, isn't it? Shiny gold. And then the Zamazenta theme deck. Let's get right into the Zamazenta theme. Okay, I will start pulling out by the back first. That's what I like to do. Ooh, we got another Zamazenta. Zamazenta. This may be a giveaway. Might be a giveaway. Next we have, wait. The wrong way in the thing, guys. Yeah, these sides are facing this way. They're all facing the right way now. Perfect. Next we have that energy, guys. Next we have Dan. That supporter right there. And then that. And next we have a Gloomy. A Goomy. Ferrothorn. As you see, these energies are everywhere. We have a Corvsquire. We have a Corvsquire. We have another one of these Ferrothorns. Corvsquires again. Flyers. Duraludon. Duraludon. Next we have another energy. Next we have that guy. Rookity. We have Pop. Professor Research. Energy. We have a Pawnword. We have a Ferroseed. We have a Professor Research. We have a Bisharp. And we have a Ferrothorn. We have Pokékid, Ferroseed, Hop, Switch, Metal Saucer, Bisharp. This is actually kind of cool, guys, a Bisharp. Rookity. We have a Rookity, another energy, a Switch, a Potion, a Rookity, a Hop, Sonia. New item. Energy, Corviknight guy here. Sonia again. Ferroseed, Duraludon, Energy, Dan, Corviknight, Pawnword, Hop, Pokékid, Energy, Metal Saucer, Energy, Either Paradise Conservation Area, Great Ball, Energy. There we go. That's the Pokemon deck. That's the Pokemon deck that came out of it. That was Zamazenta and the other Zamazenta and Zamazenta's coin, which must be under this giant pile here. Here it is. Bye, guys. Bye. See you next time for a new video. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. Bye.